Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to watching and welcome to Creativity Style. Okay? Right now, I will make it miniature homes with the clipboards. The first, that is very important for us. We need the knives, cutters, staplers, fine rulers, and the last we need the very important is the clipboard. Okay? Like this. Maybe we cannot use this because I feel the gear B, right? But right now, I will make it that very important for us to need it in your homes. The right now, I will be the cut the clipboards. Until the cut the clipboard until to make it the bolding, we are the cut again. Okay. The high the long we need maybe what this yes, two rulers 25 centimeter and the heights until 7 centimeters. And don't forget you must be get the 6 when we get the step building. Okay. And the bottom. Okay. Yes, the building is ready for right now. Okay, building. And then the second step, we cut again the clipboard, and then making again the step in the bottom of the buildings. This is the same. Yes, under the rackets for this time. We with the rackets in the last there. After that, we the making on the ropes. And the last stage, why we the cut again. And this. Yes, oh, this is really good. This is one of the ropes. We must be the gift shoe. And don't forget going to see books. After the last of the way we finish, we must be the gifts, the accessories, and the where is the room, where is the window and the doors. The first we must prepare doors, this, the bottoms, and the buildings. Right now, we don't need the pen to drawings. 1, 2, 3. In this year, we don't make it the where is door, the door, okay, the door, the window, where the window, the door again. The door again and the window again. Okay. Ntar aja nih kan selesai. Apa? Right now we must be the keeps the stapler. The stapler we the keep there. And the last gear. This is the buildings. And the bottom. Cut again. On the last we had the gifts this type over there, and the miniature is very beautiful. I will make it only just 5 minutes, and we can put into this here style. To make me art and beautiful place the room. And also, I feel we can the mix in your home maybe to mix all other things is very important for us. How to give me maybe we can add selling for this crafts. Maybe this expensive and you can keep the money.